Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Saeco Royal, which is a office style similar to the Olic Evo models, but a little bit revamped. The Royal was an old Saeco product that they have revamped. This is the brand new 2023 model. So we've got it fresh in store in our Woodbridge location. So we want to make sure that we do a video unboxing and showing you all the, so let's get right into it. So right off the hop, big box, instruction manual and everything. As I said, we're just doing the unboxing today, so we are going to set it up and do a secondary video, but for right now, let's get this machine out. Pretty nice. I might have to take it off, actually take it out, like so many others. There we go. That's everything. Wow, that was easy. Okay. This is the Royal OTC. This is a nice machine. Yeah, so massive compartment up here for your beans, water, or water bean. Yeah, drip tray, big drip tray, and then all of the options as well. Lots to play around with this machine. This is nice though. Just come down. Oh, this does still slot down. That's good. This is nice. Nice display and everything here, which is great because we actually manual brewing, espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato. Lots of options. This is good. So big, take all of these off and let's start opening up compartments. See what everything is. It's good that everything is at least held together. You don't want to get anything damaged in shipping, of course. Okay, so we got this one off. This is the bean hopper. Wow, that is deep. That's a really big hop. So this other side has to be the water then. I'm curious where you put the milk in because it says there's milk hop, but I don't see a frother even. Maybe I'm missing something. Hot water spout here, drip tray. Wow, big grinds container at the back. Extra water tray, very big. Slides right back in. What else comes off? What else moves here? This whole thing come off? So this is the water. That is a massive water jug. This whole thing comes off, right? No, maybe not. Wow. Okay, well that's helpful. Cute little handles there. Nice options for that. Nice handle there. This looks like where the milk comes out, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Huh, where do we put the milk in, right? Where's the milk going? Side. So this has got to come out. Okay, so that's our regular grinder. Interesting. I see milk options. For the life of me, I'm trying to figure out where the milk goes. Did I miss something in the box? Oh, that might be it. There we go. Still gotta figure out where the milk container is though. Well, this makes way more sense. So, similar to other Saeco products and stuff when you're doing milk drinks, I was looking for this. This is where this was. Oh, this just goes straight in. Okay, milk. Oh, you quite literally just put it into, oh, okay. So you do actually put just milk into a cup and it'll suck the milk out of the cup. So you don't actually need an extra dispenser. Oh, okay, well that's helpful. So there's our answer, everybody. All you need is just a cup of milk. That's it. And this end can go in there and it will suck up the milk for you. How easy is that? There you go. We don't need an extra milk jug. This pops off, clean this with the milk cleaner, and you're all good to go. So there we have it. That's pretty much everything for the Saeco Royal OTC brand new 2023 edition. We still service the old ones, so you know this is gonna last a very long time. So if you wanna get your hands on one of these bad boys, we got 4 in stock right now at our Woodbridge location. Come and check it out. Come and check out a coffee. It is going to be on display right beside the Olic Evos as well. So if you don't want to get one of these for your home or for more predominantly the office, which is what these machines are, these are office use machines, come and check it out. Honestly, we got a great price on them right now. One of the only retailers in Canada that actually has these at the moment. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and have fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video.